Hey everyone. Today, we're exploring the user interface of MiLA Structure. Let's get started. If you ever need to check your license status, simply navigate to the About section, where you'll find all the details regarding your license. Head over to the Backup section, where you can secure your files and access our online assistant or support for immediate assistance. Need some guidance? No worries. In the Help section, you'll find our online documentation and video tutorials to assist you. In the Options section, you can set your software project preferences and configurations according to your needs. All right, to start a new project, head to the Project tab. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the project name. Choose the destination for saving. And even select the specific code of practice you want to follow. Once you're done, click on Create to kick off your new project. At the Main tab, we've got all your essentials: grid, column, beam, slab, wall, staircase, and footing. We'll go deeper into modeling in another video. You can specify loading for individual elements. Add wind loading and even seismic loading for a comprehensive analysis of your structure. Need to trace or import your drawings into MiLA Structure? No problem. We've got you covered to make the process seamless and efficient. For those using Revit, we've got integration too. Select what elements to map. Update your Revit project directly in MiLA Structure. And activate BIM status to keep track. More on this in our dedicated Revit integration video. Visualizing your model is essential. MiLA Structure offers a 3D view to simplify your modeling process. And for precision, we have a measure function allowing manual distance checks in 2D view. Head over to the Analysis Design tab. Here you can run analysis, get 3D analytical view, and check the design status of your structure, all in one place. Wondering about the design details? MiLA Structure has you covered with detailed design reports for all elements, including wind and seismic design. Once you run the analysis, MiLA Structure automatically calculates quantities, and you can easily view reports right here. Let's take a look at the Export tab. Here you can easily export individual drawings. Not only can you export individual elements, but you can also streamline your workflow by batch exporting reports and detailings. Now let's talk about the navigation options available in View tab. Here you can panning through the model. And now, the zoom functionalities. Lastly, the region button to refresh your view instantly. Let's take a look at the Options tab. Here we can set the project settings. Here we can customize the default settings to align with your preferences, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your projects. MiLA Structure supports both British Standard and Eurocode, allowing you to follow the standards that suit your project. Fine-tune your experience with application settings. And don't forget your license. Easily check your license information, ensuring you're always up and running without a hitch. Now, check out the Project Palette. It gives you a quick look at your project tree so you can easily see and control all the parts of your project. You can use the plus button to add either an empty floor or duplicate an existing one. Use the minus button to easily delete any floor level. The Properties palette can change the properties of selected elements. Watch our next video to learn how to use it effectively. Here, you can quickly check your model for any errors that might have happened during the modeling process. In the next video, we'll dive right into modeling with MiLA Structure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell. For additional helpful content, visit our website for guides, support articles, tutorials, and more. See you in the next one.